How to share chat from your Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can share chat from Claude to somewhere else. So for example, you can open any particular chat or share the current existing chat. So for example, I'll go to the chats and then open any particular chat. So for example, let's say I have this chat right here. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click onto this particular shared chat button, which is visible at the top right corner of the screen. I'll click onto this, and from here, I have these three options. The first one is to keep this private. The second one is to share with your team, since I'm using an organization account, using which only teammates can, with the link, can view. And then this is a public link so that anyone with the link can view. Now, if I do this, I can simply copy link and share it to someone else who can use this link in order to view this particular chat. So that's how easily you can share your chat using the link in Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.